And once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are fine now and good now, because today I will be making fruit break video about making this video everything so much easily now, and I will be explaining to you how to complete to be this games modes about. Okay, so this is the game and everything so much easily now, not to be hurt anything. So just I will be explaining you how to be complete to be this games finish kiwi mode. This game mode easily, just I will be speaking you how to be complete to be this all of mode. So let's start this video, and please be request to you and watching this video, don't skip now. Fruit break, I'm already download this game and I will be explaining you how to be complete to be this game modes kiwi. Okay, I will be explain you once, just two, this is the kiwi modes. Okay, select no. Okay, first of all I will be clicking here be also everything so much easily, not to be have problem. I will be explain to you how to complete to be this games. Okay, again. So next, because this is the game so much easily not to be. Okay, I will be explaining you. Okay, dance. Okay, next, next one. Okay, just to be using these methods. Next moves. Okay, next to be starting now. Okay, next. Okay, next starting now.